So on this style of case, you'll notice that the anchor points will overlap at some points. So what we'll do is we'll just show you that. So if I'm going to place a handle at this point, the anchor points are quite clear as to what they are at this point. You have middle of the case as a whole in terms of this row here. And these anchor points below are between the join of the lid and the base, and the lower and the upper are self-explanatory. However, if we just make a quick change to the height, because this case is a 50-50, when we change the height, the lid will automatically go to 50%. So at this point, when we place a handle on the case, the middle reference points overlap. So it's just good to understand that the upper half of the reference points, that relates to the join between the top and bottom of the case, and this lower reference point that's visible, that relates to the middle of the case. So for example, if we choose the join, place the handle here, for example, when we make a change to the height of the case, you will see that it will remember its reference from the join. And just to further show that point, if we actually change the lid height, you'll notice when the lid height updates that this measurement from the join between the lid and the base will still maintain